whatever peace, happiness, joy, worth you think you're going to get after the next best thing, whatever that is, the next relationship, the next child, the next $10,000, the next job, the next passion, the next career, is an illusion. It's a trick of your mind. Whatever you believe you're going to get next out there after something on the external is never going to come if it already isn't experienced by you in the here and now, right here as you are. There is no peace out there. There is no worth out there. I promise you. I've been down that rabbit hole thinking that it was after the next interview, after the next book, after the next achievement. It doesn't exist. I promise you. It's either in you right here, right now, or it isn't. So what this means is stop waiting. Stop looking. Stop fantasizing that the next peaceful moment, the next worth that you feel is going to come from the outside. Develop it right here within you. It's in you. You just need to cultivate it. Right here, right now, wherever you are, by the ocean or not, it's all within you as you are.